Hi, this is attorney Tony Ramos. I want to tell you about a recent offering compromise that I just closed just a few weeks ago. I had a pastor that of a small church that owed almost $101,000, and he didn't have much income. In 2018, he had $30,000 income. So we submitted an offer, and when you do that, the IRS looks at three main things. Number one, they want to know how much time is left on the 10-year collection period. My client had a few years left, so that was kind of a neutral factor. The second thing they look at is net asset value. And he didn't have a home, he just had a car and some personal belongings. So that was a very good factor for him. And then the last factor that the IRS looks at is his net income after reasonable living expenses. And as you can imagine, making $30,000 a year or almost $30,000, we're able to submit an offer of $985. Well, ultimately, it wasn't accepted because at the end of the examination, the IRS wanted to see how much money he made in 2019. It turned out to be $43,000. And so the reason was, when we analyzed the numbers, is that two people in his congregation sold their homes. So it bumped up his income from $30,000 to $43,000. And when all was said and done, we were able to settle the case for $10,345, which is almost a $90,000 saving. So my client is happy. All he has to do from now on is file his returns on and pay on time for the next 5 years. For other content like this, go to tonyramoslaw.com/blog. We'll talk to you soon.